Alright, boys and girls, Mr. Melchior back. Okay, these are all the pictures. I cut this girl out, this lady out, and she's holding a computer. And I decided to put something, I want to put something where the computer is. And I found this tractor, and this man pushing this tractor, and I found this man here. Now, I've got three choices of what I can put here, and I want to put the one that fits the best. So let me go get the tractor. Now, I think this tractor might work the best, and maybe I'll even put this man somewhere in the picture as well. So now I'm going to take a couple of minutes and I'm going to cut those out so you don't have to watch me. And I'm going to use scissors like you would be using, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, boys and girls, I'm back, and what you're looking at now is I cut out the tractor, I cut out the man, and of course I'd already cut out the lady, and I put them back together to create, now there's 1, 2, 3 pictures, and I created one picture by putting them together. Now, what you have to remember is that I've been doing this for many years, and so my cutting is going to be different than yours. And I also want to tell you that you can use crayons and markers to draw things. You don't have to cut everything out. Now, I haven't glued anything down yet because I want to talk to you about some special things that I have going on here. I'm just going to grab a pencil so I can point to them. Now, we've been talking about overlapping, and what makes this look special is all of the overlapping. So the first thing I want you to see is what I did here. Look at how I cut her fingers so I could stick his leg underneath and this leg over. And then over here I cut her hand out so I can put the tractor right through here. Now, just like you, I'm going to make mistakes. I cut this off by accident, but I'm going to glue it back together when I put it together. Now I have to think about how am I going to glue this together. What goes first? What goes second? What goes last? So I can't glue all of the girl down because then her hand will be glued down and I won't be able to put him in. So let's think about, what do I want to glue first? Do I want to glue the tractor first? No, because how am I going to put the girl behind her? Do I want to glue the man first? No, actually he's going to be pretty close to last. I think I'm going to be gluing parts of this at different times and some of them together. So I'm going to take it apart now so you can see what I have here. Okay, so here's the woman. Here's the man, excuse me. Let me just get these apart. Hang on. Okay. All right, there we go. Those are my pieces. Now look what I did here. I cut the computer out. I cut the computer that was there, but I tried to imagine what her arm would look like, so I left that there, okay? So I'm going to glue this upper part of her body first. Now I'm going to put this on the tripod and let you watch me do this. It's going to be tricky, and I don't expect you to be able to do what I'm doing, but I expect you to do what you can do. So if don't cut it out. If yours isn't cut out this well, and I'm not sure that that's that good, but if you just cut around it and glue this down, and if you just cut around him and glue it down, or you just cut around the tractor, that's fine too. And even just the way they are now is kind of fun. And you could take crayons and color in. So I'm going to put this on the tripod now, and I'm going to finish this up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is glue the lady's head and this part of her body. I'm going to glue this down because none of that has to move. This has to move, so I'm going to glue this down. Okay, so remember, it's all about overlapping. So let's, too much glue, not too much. Dot, dot, not a lot. You know that game. All right, so I'm going to glue her down right here. All right. Looks like I need a little bit of glue here. And a little bit of glue here. I'm going to do that again. I don't know why she's not sticking here. Now, if you have to get glue on the table, just use a scrap piece of paper and go off this way. No, stop it, doggies. All right. Every time my doggies hear knocking, they have to go see what's going on. Hey, hey, hey. All right. Stop. Okay. Now, I'm going to get the tractor. And I'm going to bring that over here and see where I want the tractor. See, I want to cover up this part of her arm that's not there. That was the computer. So I'm going to put the tractor right in there like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to glue her arm down and this part of her hand. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, now this is going to go through here. I think that's good. Let's just get the guy for a minute. He's going to go over here. Okay, so I'm now going to glue. I'm going to put some glue on her hand and some of the tractor. Okay, I'm going to put it behind this wheel. Now I'm going to take her hand. Okay, so now I have some of the hand glued and I have the tractor glued. Now I want to figure out what I'm going to do with this guy. So I want to put, remember how I cut her finger? All right, so I want him in front. See what I just did? Now that's what makes this look cool, is he's in front of the tractor and he's behind the tractor. Okay, so I'm gonna lift it up now. I have my tool, but you can use a toothpick for this. Just gonna lift his leg up. See what I'm doing here? Let's see, yeah, that's not bad. I think the tire is in front of his leg and his hand is in front. Yeah, that's good. That's good, just like that. Now, how do I glue all that down without messing up? So, I think what I can do is glue his body down. Yeah, I think I can do this. So I'm going to put him over here. Can you see this? I'm going to put glue on him. I'm going to put him between her fingers, like that. Then I'm going to put the tractor down. I'm going to lift his arm up. And we're going to put that like that, and his hand's going to come through there. Let's see if that can work. There it is. Okay. Now, get a little bit of a space right here that I don't like. Okay. Now the man's glued down. The tractor tire isn't, so I'm going to bend that up. I'm going to sneak some glue. Now what I do is I put the paper between my finger and the glue, just like this, and I move the glue. Now that's glued down. Now I'm going to glue his hand down. Okay, we already had glue on him, so he's good. Now watch how I do this. See this thin thing right here? I'm going to put the glue behind it. I'm going to press my finger, and I'm going to move my finger and the glue together. Just like that. And I'm going to get this license plate. Okay. Now, I buried his hand, so I'm going to pick his hand back up. Stick his hand through there. Done. Now watch that go down. Boom. Look at that. It's all getting glued down. Now there's no glue behind the seat or the steering wheel, so I'm going to put them against that, press the glue, move the glue, push it with my finger. I don't mind getting a little bit of glue on my fingers. Boom. There it is. Look at that. Now there's no glue under here, so I pick it up and I put glue on it. I push it down. There it is. Now I want to find the top, which I see. There it is. Okay, so now we put that. Now we put that here. Put some glue on it. Now, boys and girls, you're not supposed to do what I'm doing. You're supposed to do as good as you can do. Yours is not going to look like this until you spend many years cutting and gluing. So that's the first thing you have to understand. A lot of times when I do something in class, everybody wants it to be just like mine. It's not going to be just like mine. It's going to be like yours. Okay, so I'm going to line this up. Look how hard this is. Remember I said earlier, I'm going to cut like a surgeon? I'm going to put that right there. Perfect. Got a little bit of trouble right here. Now while I'm at it, I want to show you something. With my Tiger Woods. With my Tiger Woods. I want you to look right here. This part right here. I painted that. I painted that because there was an advertisement there. So I took watercolors and I made it look like his arm, and you'd never know it. If I put it over here, you'd never see it. So I haven't glued that down yet because I don't know what I'm going to do with that. So take a look at this now, okay? We got a lady that used to be holding a computer, and now she's holding a tractor, and it's going right through there. I love it. Now I noticed that I didn't glue her finger down yet, so I'm going to take my glue. I'm going to lift up this finger. Now what did I do? I put the glue up against the finger, and then I move the glue and my finger, push it down. Done. Now I don't, yeah, there's glue there. Okay, so we're just about finished here. Now what's going on right here? I have some controls that I don't think I need, so I'm going to cut them off. Now, if you were using a scissor, you would use a scissor to cut them off. Okay? So, I like it. All right? Now the only thing I don't like is, I don't like this little white space right here, and I don't like that white space, but I couldn't cut those, so, you know, it's okay. Let's see, they got this thing sticking up here, so let's take our toothpick, in your case a toothpick, push that there. Now I'll get a toothpick from the house the next time I do this, so we can use a toothpick. All right, so let's take a picture of that.